Happy day everyone. Hope you all are doing really great and started your preparation for NEET 2025 exam. Even if you have not started yet, you are confused how I'm going to study by doing a self study. Those who joined the coaching, that's fine. If you're planning to do self study, but if you're searching for a perfect timetable, what are the chapters I have to complete in which week, when, so all these questions will be answered by this timetable. So I have how I have made this timetable is for each and every week I have given you what are the chapters you are going to study. Okay, not just for 1 week or 2 week, it is an annual, that is your complete timetable starting from your June to December. I have mentioned each and every week what you are going to study and how we are going to complete the syllabus. Okay, before that, think like you are joining your class 11th again. You are back to your school and you are joining your class 11th, because there are many students who might have started your NEET preparation just in class 12, even at the end of the class 12, so that you scored a less mark in NEET 24. That's really fine. Now you have a chance again. Okay, think you are joining your class 11th again and start from your basics. Don't hurry up your preparation. We have enough time. Okay, because each and every week in my timetable I have mentioned only one chapter from each, that is biology one chapter, chemistry one chapter, and physics. So for one chapter we are having 1 week. See how much amount of time we have. Even if we complete all the syllabus soon, we do have time to revise, or giving it test. So much of time we have, so don't hurry your preparation. As I mentioned in the timetable, I will show you how we are having the timetable in the upcoming slide, but think like it is your class 11th and start from your basic. Whatever you are learning, right, learn it very properly without any hurry. Okay, so this is just as a new beginning. Leave your 2024, but already those who have scored a good mark in NEET 2024, you people don't need this timetable. This is for one who are starting from your zero level, I could say, and how to score a good mark in 2025. Okay, so I will show you the timetable now. To give a quick intro of the timetable, in total we are having 30 weeks. Okay, in total I have covered 30 weeks starting from your June to December. In this 30 week, each and every week you will be having three chapters to study from your biology, physics, and chemistry. In some weeks only I have mentioned four chapters, because sometimes we might be having very short chapter, right, or a easy chapter. So in that week I have included four, but at the max I'm having only three chapters per week. Okay, are we clear? Now I'm giving you a quick intro of what are the weeks, how we are going to cover the chapter. It will be very short, I don't want to waste your time. I will be posting this timetable in a Telegram channel. Okay, the Telegram channel link is in the description, so join the Telegram channel, so you will be getting the timetable and you will get to know what are the chapters you are going to study. So no need of depending on anyone. You have the timetable and you can do. And before doing that, you need to take a paper. If you want to take a printout of it, you can, or else take a paper and write it like this. Okay, why I'm saying that? So say this is from June 5 to June 11. This is for an example. We do have different weeks only. So June 5 to June 11 is a week. Okay, you need to write all the date. Then the day. Then what are the chapters we are going to cover? We are going to cover from your biology, chemistry, physics. Okay, so I have mentioned revise and test. Write a timetable like this. Okay, each and every day when you're going to sleep, you need to do this. Okay, without fail. You can do it and show me in the Telegram also. Every day if you want to upload it, please do upload it, so that you will be thinking, okay, someone is noticing us, we have to give do this. What you're going to do, let's say June 5 I have mentioned three chapters, right? Then at the end of your day you need to think whether I have spent time for biology this day. Then give a tick mark. Chemistry, it's okay, each and every day if you are not giving for your chemistry, that you can cope up in the next days, right? I just want to make sure whether you are studying or not. So if you're not covering chemistry on the Monday, it's okay, give a wrong. Okay, then physics, if you have covered, give a tick mark. And this revision part is very very important. Even if you study just 2 pages, do a revision before you sleep. Okay, then only it will be helpful for you in the long term. Okay, you are going to give the exam in the next year only, no? Till that you need to memorize everything. So revision is very important. I believe each and every day here only tick mark will be there in everyone's timetable. Okay, so you need to revise and give a tick there. Then test. See, there are many books like NCRT at your fingertips. In those books they are giving MCQs topic wise, right? Let's say today you covered only two topics, right? The test for just two topics. I'm not asking you to write for all chapter. If you're covering two topics, give a test for these two topics. So in this way you will complete a little by little, but you complete in a very proper manner so that it will be remembered till your NEET exam. Got it? This timetable is very important. Do it each and every day. If you want to send it to your friends or send it in the Telegram channel, so I just want to make sure that you are following up and doing it correctly. So clear with this timetable why I have given this. It is really important. Now we will see quickly what are the weeks we are having. So starting with your week 1, starting from your 3rd of June to 9th of June. I know it is a little bit, I am posting this video, it is after 3rd of June. I'm really sorry for that, there are some reasons for that. But if you see, all the chapters I have mentioned is like your basic chapter. You might have read it n number of time and you can complete it in within 2 days also. So in the first week we are going to cover your living world, biological classification, basic concepts of chemistry, unit and measurement, all the starting chapters from your class 11. Okay, then moving on to your second week, we are covering plant kingdom, structure of atom, motion in a straight line. Then we will move on to the third week, animal kingdom, periodic classification and motion in a plane. As you could see, I have mentioned everything in order only, so it will be helpful for you. Just quickly we will see what are the chapters. Now moving on to the week 4, morphology of flowering plants, chemical bonding, laws of motion. If you see, in each and every week we are learning one biology, one chemistry and one physics. It is in the order biology, chemistry and physics. So before ending your day you need to give a tick mark there, what are the chapters you have read, whether you have revised or given test or not. So week 5, anatomy of flowering plants, thermodynamic, makes work, energy and power. So and so, no need of reading everything, no. Say something is important, I will mention that. Then come your week 7, week 8 and week 9 syllabus. And if you see, in your week 10 you are going to complete your class 11th chemistry. Okay, by the week 10 all the chemistry chapters from your class 11 will be completed. This p block is not there in your new NCERT, but it is there in your NEET syllabus, right? So P block from your class 11, that is 14th and 13th block, you are going to complete by week 10. So by week 10, you will be completing your class 11 chemistry. Okay. So by week 11, you start with your class 12th chemistry, starting with our solution. Then coming to your week 13, week 14, by week 14 we are completing the class 11th chemistry. Sorry, physics. Okay. So week 10, this is just to mention, you will get to know no, when I'm completing my class 11 chapter. So week 10 you are completing your class 11th chemistry. By week 14th we are completing our class 11th physics. Okay. So that's why I have mentioned it here also in the red color. So after your waves it will be ended. Now coming to your week 15, I'm giving you a physics free week. Okay, so each and every week we are learning physics, no, so it is a break for your physics. So in week 15 you are not going to have any physics chapter. Instead you have two chapters from your biology and coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is also vast chapter and it is a high weightage, that's why I haven't mentioned physics here. Now let's move on to the week 16. Again we are starting with your biology, chemistry, and we are starting with our 12th physics, that is electric charge and fields. Okay, now week 17, then week 18. Week 18th is now biology free week. Now we have a gap for your biology because P block is also vast lesson and current electricity is also vast. Both are vast lesson as well as very important in terms of your NEET exam. So there is no biology going to happen in this week. But if you think I can manage, or if you have any backlogs in this week, you can study this. Okay, adjust your timetable according to your need. By week 17 you will be completing your biology class 11 portion also. Okay, just to highlight. Now your week 19, week 20, week 21. Then see, by week 21 itself you are completing all your chemistry chapters. Okay, 26 itself, even along with your practical chemistry. See, week 25 I have mentioned for practical chemistry only, week 26 also practical chemistry. So 2 weeks for your practical chemistry. From week 27 we are going to cover all the backlogs from your chemistry. For sure, even if I have mentioned this, no, you can't complete everything as it is mentioned in the timetable. There are some reasons. Sometime you couldn't complete it within the time zone. You might fall sick. There are n number of reasons. So for that, you might be having the backlogs, right? In the timetable which I showed you initial, there you can write the backlog also. Whatever backlog is there for the particular week. So see, after week 26, I have mentioned backlogs. Whatever backlogs you have in chemistry, you can complete that, or whatever chapter you have, no, you can start completing your backlog also, because chemistry is already done. So we do have time, okay? And make note of this simply, okay? If you follow like this, it will be easier for you to complete each and everything. Now, coming to week 28, it is your biology and physics only, because chemistry we have completed so much. No, we have completed our backlog of chemistry, and we came to our practical chemistry also. Then again we have a time for backlog, so somehow you will be completing your chemistry now. So week 28, 29, and 30, it is full of your physics as well as your biology only. This semiconductor, I have mentioned it as half, but you need to complete it fully only. So I hope this timetable is pretty clear only. There is no need of explaining. That's why I just skipped it if it is not needed. I could say for optics, instead of 2 weeks, I have mentioned 3 weeks, because optics it will take really a good amount of time. Also, the numericals are need to be practiced very well. That's why if you see week instead of 2 weeks, that is your ray optics and wave optics there. So instead of 2 weeks, I have given you 3 weeks. Okay, week 24. 1 minute, please. Week 25 and week 26. Okay. So if you can complete it before that, also you can complete. So it is up to you. In total, I want to give you how you are going to complete your syllabus. Okay. Even if you are going to self study, if you have the syllabus or the timetable ready, now you can start preparing without any issues. And in our channel, I am thinking to post you the weekly test. Okay, like let's say in this week we are having organism and population, atom, and one more, let's say solution from chemistry. So only for these three topics I am planning to give you a test, weekly test. So it will be helpful for you. If you really need this, please let me know in the comments so I can give you that. I will either provide it in the PDF format or Google form according to the time. Okay, also that, as you know, we have posting already many short tricks. I will try to continue that. I wanted to make your like preparation as much easy as I can, because there are already people are giving good amount of content in teaching you in all the subjects. So I am trying to give you the tricks for that. I will keep on doing that. And if you want to give me the test, as I said, the weekly test, please let me know in the comment. If you have any doubts in the uh, timetable also, please let me know. Just I'm mentioning here, see, you will be completing your syllabus by 29th of December, right? From 30 to 1, 30th December, 31 December, and 1, that is your new year. Just take a leave, okay? Take a break, spend time outside, go outside and go for a trip. Do anything you want in this 3 days. Nothing going to happen within this 3 days, okay? Because we are studying continuously. Now it is time for you to take a break. Even if you want to extend the leave, do extend it, because once it is done, we are completing the all the 11th and 12th, no? So in Jan, from Jan to May, how to revise, what are the tests we need to write, all this video I will post later. As of now, our duty is just to study. Let's study. Once it is done, I will be posting a separate video for that only. Please do follow this timetable. I will also accordingly provide some tricks each and every week according to the lessons I mentioned. I will try my best. And yeah, don't forget to take this break in your near time. So yeah, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment. Please do visit the short tricks video I have posted for physics, chemistry, and biology. So share it with your friends also. Thank you.